In a few days, NAIA operation will be turned over to us to manage. It's an exciting time because we are about to make history. We can begin the work of modernizing our airport and giving Filipino people the world-class facility they deserve. Even before the official handover, we have been working hard behind the scene. We have opened a new OFW lounge recently, a space dedicated to our modern-day heroes. They are the first to experience the benefit of this landmark project. We know this is a big responsibility and there will be challenges, but we are committed to delivering on our promise. One concern that has already been raised is about the airport fee increases. These adjustments were determined by the government together with Asian Development Bank and benchmarked against global standards. Long before the bidding for NAIA PPP project even began, they are necessary and frankly overdue. And whoever won the bidding would have to implement this. And let me also highlight that 82.1% of this revenue will go directly to the government as part of our winning bid. These funds can be used to modernize other airports, improve infrastructure, and make our country even more attractive to tourists and investors. This PPP project is about building a better future for the Filipino people. It's about making an investment in our progress. And while we are operating NAIA, this is shared legacy for the next generation and for our country. We are committed to working closely with all stakeholders to ensure NAIA's success for the country, for our people, and for the generation to come. Maraming pong salamat.